Students, good evening. Hello, you able to hear, guys?
Good evening.
Good evening. So we continue where we stopped. We're almost at the end of the sequence and series. Yesterday we discussed a few numericals, how to approach if it is in case of MCQs. Yeah. So we are dealing. We done up to question number 24. Am I right, students? Subrajit, Raghav. We done up to question number 24. Am I right?
Yes.
So we have to start with 25th. Need to complete by 32, and we have to start special series. After special series, it is done. That's it. Only a few questions from the special series. Yeah. Who is going to explain the first question? 25th question. Students, please respond. Guys, everyone is here. There, guys, everyone. Nitin, Sarvesh, Arvind, Srinidhi, Raghav, Shriya. Still exams is going on, not completed. Subhajit.
Yes, sir, it's going on.
What exam tomorrow?
Physics.
Oh, yeah. Finish it a little bit fast, please. How to do the first question, 25th question? Question. If A, B, C, and D are in GP, show that A square plus B square plus C square into B square plus C square plus D square is equal to AB plus BC plus CD whole square. If A, B, C, D are in GP, what is the relation between all those things, students?
Sir, B upon A equals C upon B equals D upon C.
Correct. Suppose if I'm taking A is first term, let R is the common ratio, then how we can relate all those things? In easiest way, how we can do, if A, B, C, D are in GP, let assume common ratio is R. So A is equal to A, and B can be written as AR, C can be written as AR square, D can be written as AR cube. Will you agree, everyone? Students? So if I am substituting ABCD values, what is your LHS? If I am substituting ABCD values in LHS, A square plus B square plus C square into B square plus C square plus D square. What I will get, students? In place of A square, it is A square. In place of B square, it is A square, R square. In place of C square, it is A square, R square whole square, that is R power 4, into B square. If it is B square means A square R square plus A square R power 4 plus A square R power 6. From first I can take A square common. This will be 1 plus R square plus R power 4 In the next, I can take a r square common. A square r square I am taking common here. So this is 1 plus r square plus r power 4. So this whole thing can be written as a is a power 4 r square into 1 plus r square plus r power 4 whole square. So this will be a square r into 1 plus r square plus r power 4 whole square. If I am taking this one inside, what I will get? A square r plus a square r cube plus a square r power 5 whole square. So this can be written as a into ar plus ar into ar square plus ar square into ar cube. Hope you understand what I done here. R you can take RHS and prove both are same. A into AR is AB plus BC plus CD whole square. Is that RHS they are asking us to prove? Yes. CD whole square. So it is RHS. Or you can stop up to here and take RHS, where RHS is equal to AB plus BC plus CD whole square. And substitute AB value is how much? A into AR plus AR into AR square plus AR square into AR cube whole square. In this, A square is common everywhere and R is also common. A square R, if I am taking common, 1 plus R square plus R power 4 whole square. If I am expanding this one, a power 4 r square into 1 plus r square plus r power 4 whole square. So this is your RHS. So LHS is equal to RHS. Anything you can able to do. Hope you are clear what I done. Students, please respond. Guys, yes or no? Is it clear? Sarvesh, Arvind?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. The next question. Insert two numbers between 3 and 81 so that the resulting sequence is GP. Whenever they are good, if you are getting this kind of questions, how we will proceed, guys? You take two variables and you have to explain that is are in GP. Suppose he is asking insert two numbers between 3, 81 so that insert two numbers so that the series should be in GP. Let us assume the series is 3, A, B, 81. AB are the required numbers where it is in GP. What is the condition to say it is in GP, guys? What is the condition? Students, what is the condition for GP? Let A is first number, R is common ratio. Your A is equal to 3, AR is equal to, sorry, this I am taking as P, Q, then it will be easy. AR is equal to P, AR square is equal to Q, AR power cube is equal to 81. So from here, 3 into R cube is equal to 81. So R cube is equal to 27. So R is equal to 3. Once I got the common ratio, this will be 9, this will be 27. So the sequence, the required sequence is 3, 9 comma 27 comma 81. Students, are you clear what I done here? Please respond. Yeah. Question number 27. Find the value of n so that a power n plus 1 plus b power n plus 1 divided by a power n plus b power n may be the geometric mean between a and b. May be the geometric mean. So what is the meaning of geometric mean, students? What is the geometric mean of two numbers? Suppose p comma q. Geometric mean is what? What is geometric mean of p comma q? Root of pq only, no? Will you agree? Students, is there? So here they gave the two numbers. Gm of a comma b is equal to root of ab. And he's saying find the n values as that this is the geometric mean of a comma b. So a power n plus 1 plus b power n plus 1 divided by a power n plus b power n should be equal to root of ab. How you will solve this question? So a power n plus 1 plus b power n plus 1 is equal to a power 1 by 2 b power 1 by 2 into a power n plus b power n. A power n plus b power n. So if I am multiplying each term, how it will get? How I will get? A power n plus 1 plus b power n plus 1 is equal to, after multiplying, a into a power 1 by 2 into a power n into b power 1 by 2 plus b power n into b power 1 by 2 into a power 1 by 2. This is the how I got. So this will be a power n plus 1 by 2 into b power 1 by 2, b power n plus 1 by 2 into a power 1 by 2. So I'm bringing all the things one side to make this is an equation. Basic algebra, little bit strong level of algebra is required to solve this question. Nothing is there in this question actually. So this will be a power n plus 1 plus b power n plus 1 minus a power n plus 1 by 2 into b power 1 by 2 minus b power n plus 1 by 2 into a power 1 by 2 is equal to 0. Any idea, guys, after this how to proceed, students? Factorization important. How we will factorize? This can be written as a power n plus 1 by 2 into a power 1 by 2. This also can be written as b power n plus 1 by 2 into b power 1 by 2. Bases are same, the powers will be added. Same as if I'm adding this two, I will get this one. If I'm adding powers of this two, I will get this one. So if I'm having a power 6, I can write as a power 4 into a square. That is the method I applied here. Minus a power n plus 1 by 2 into b power 1 by 2 minus b power n plus 1 by 2 into a power 1 by 2 is equal to 0. So I'm underlining what are the terms I'm taking common here. I'm taking a and again a, this one. And this one and this one I am considering for taking the common terms. If I'm taking a power n plus 1 by 2 common from these two terms, I will get a power 1 by 2 minus b power 1 by 2. Same as if I'm taking this mark into marked terms, b power n plus 1 by 2 if I'm taking common what I will get? B power 1 by 2 minus A power 1 by 2 is equal to 0. Again, to make the similar terms, I'm taking minus out. A power 1 by 2 minus B power 1 by 2 minus B power n plus 1 by 2 into A power 1 by 2 minus B power 1 by 2 is equal to 0. So now it is ready to write as multiplication of two terms. A power n plus 1 by 2 minus B power n plus 1 by 2 is equal to 0. So sum of the two terms will be 0. Either A power 1 by 2 should be equal to B power 1 by 2, or A power n plus 1 by 2 should be equal to B power n plus 1 by 2. So at what conditions these are equal? Then what is the possible n value under these conditions? Students? See, from the first statement, it is not possible to calculate the value of n here. So this is only the possible way where I can calculate n here. So here I am taking A power n plus 1 by 2 divided by B power n plus 1 by 2 is equal to 0. This will be A by B whole power n plus 1 by 2 is equal to, sorry, 1. 1. So something power is 1. This is possible if n plus 1 by 2 should be 0. So my possible n value is minus 1 by 2. This is how I can solve this question. This is a little bit higher level of algebra, including exponents mixed with algebra. Is it clear, guys? Factorization is there, exponents concept is there. Together mixed, you will get this question. Or if it is MCQs, is very easy. Just take the options and substitute some. Which n value is suitable for this? That is the answer. That's it. If they are giving plus 1 by 2, minus 1 by 2, 0, 1. So take all the values and substitute and let me know in which case you are getting root AB. Root of AB should come. Guys, I can move to the next question. Students, please respond. You can move to the next question. Yes or no? Srinidhi, Raghav, Nitin. The sum of the two numbers is 6 times their geometric mean. Show that the numbers are in the ratio. The sum of the two numbers is 6 times their geometric mean. So we can start the question like this. They're asking the prove that ratio is that much. If A and A comma B are two numbers, if A comma B are two numbers, the sum of the numbers is equal to their geometric mean. That is given. Sum of two numbers 6 times their geometric mean. So sum of two numbers is equals 6 times geometric mean. Show that the numbers are in the ratio. So show that A by B is equals 3 plus 2 root 2 by 3 minus 2 root 2. So how we can proceed this question? Yeah, take the given condition. A plus B is equal to 6 root AB, the first equation. I'm having two variables, but I require second condition also. So if I'm squaring on both sides, A plus B whole square to remove the root, 36AB. So from here, A square plus B square minus 2AB is equal to 36AB. So this is A square plus B square, so plus 2AB is equal to 34AB. From here I can write, if I am subtracting minus 2ab on both sides, 32ab, this will be a minus b whole square is equals root of 32ab. So this is a minus b will be equal to 4 root 2ab. Now this is my second equation. My first equation is a plus b is equal to 6 root ab. A minus b is equal to 4 root ab. Four root of root ab. If I'm adding these two equations, I will get 2a is equal to 6 root ab plus 4 root 2 root ab. From here, I can able to calculate the a value like this. If I'm taking root ab common, 6 plus 4 root 2 by a, 2. So this will be 2 3 times, 2 2 times. So my a is coming as root of ab into 3 plus 2 root. Same as if I am subtracting these two equations, what are the equation number 3 and equation number 4. My subtraction will gives 2b will be equal to 6 minus 4 root 2 of root ab. I am cancelling with the 2 3 times, 2 times. So the value of b is root of ab into 3 minus 2 root 2. Is asking us to prove the ratio is some rational conjugate rational number. So a by b is equal to root ab into 3 plus 2 root 2 divided by root ab into 3 minus 2 root 2. So root ab cancel. Finally, I am getting 3 plus 2 root 2 by 3 minus 2 root 2. So a by b is equals 3 plus 2 root 2 divided by 3 minus 2 root 2. This final answer. Final required. This is the importance of algebra where we learned from earlier classes. Students, are you clear, guys? Raghav, Shriya, Nitin. Students, able to hear? Guys, will able to hear me? Shriya.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. If A and G be a arithmetic mean and geometric mean respectively between two positive numbers. There are two positive numbers. Its arithmetic mean is A, geometric mean is B. G. Then prove that the numbers are A plus or minus root of A plus Z into A minus Z. Suppose let the numbers are A comma B. Let the numbers are, so to avoid confusion, P comma Q. So arithmetic mean of P comma Q is P plus Q by 2, which is equal to capital A. Geometric mean of P plus Q is root PQ, which is equal to G. This is the data. He's asking P should be equal to A plus root of, either P or Q is A plus or minus root of A plus Z into A minus Z. We have to find out the value of A comma P comma Q in terms of A and G. So there are two conditions, two variables. That's it. P plus Q is equal to capital 2A and PQ is equal to G square. PQ is equal to G square. We know a plus b whole square minus 4ab is equal to a minus b whole square. Simply. Here I know a plus b value. A plus b is equal to how much? 2a whole square minus 4g square is equal to a minus b whole square. From here, I can write 2a square minus 4g. If I'm taking 2 common, this will be a square minus 2z square. A square minus 2z square. Sorry guys, 2a square means it's a 4. If I can take common 4, so a square minus z square is a minus b whole square. This can be written as 4 into a plus z into a minus z is equal to a minus b whole square. So from here, I can write the value of a minus b is equal to 2 root of a plus z into a minus z. And the value of a plus b is equal to 2 times a. If I'm adding both the things, suppose if I'm adding these two equation number 3 and 4, if I'm adding 2a is equal to, I can take 2 common, a plus root of a plus g into a minus z. So 2 cancel. So my a is equal to, sorry, this is a, so p q, this is p q, then it will be easy. So p, this is q, this is p, this is q, p. So the value of p is a plus root of a plus z into a minus z. So if I'm subtracting both, then I will get what I will get. P plus q minus p minus q. If I'm subtracting both, I will get 2q is equal to 2 of a minus the root of a plus z into a minus z. So 2 cancel. So my q is coming as exact the same, a minus root of a plus z into a minus z. So both the numbers can be written in the single format. P comma q are a plus or minus root of a plus z into a minus z. This is how we can go. So some analytical skills is enough to solve this question. Some basic analytical skills is enough, but only the thing is a little bit practice. At least 1 or 2 times you have to go through it. So what kind of strategy they use to solve these questions. So it can be useful in some other places for us. We'll go for the next question, students. The number of bacteria in a certain culture double every hour. If it is first hour, it is A. In second hour, it is 2A. In third hour, it is 4A. In fourth hour, it is 8A. In fifth hour, it is 16A, and so on. If there were a 30 bacteria, it will double 60. Again, it will double 120. It will double 240. Again, it will double 480, and so on. How many bacteria will be present at the end of second hour and fourth hour and nth hour? This is at the end of the second hour 60, at the end of the fourth hour 240, at the end of the nth hour. How to calculate an value? A into r power n minus 1, where r is how much? 2. So 30 into 2 power n minus 1. This much of bacteria present in the 2 power an 2 power n minus 1. Sorry, at the end of the first hour, at 0, at the beginning it is A, it is 30. At the end of the first hour, it is, this is your A1, this is your A2, This is our A3. This is our A4. A4 is end of the third hour. A5 is end of the fourth hour. So AN plus 1 is end of the nth hour. So this should be nth hour. So n minus 1 plus 1. So the answer is 30 into 2 power n. At the end of the nth hour means it is started with at 0. It is at the end of the first hour. It is second term. Beginning it is having some bacteria. That means at 0 seconds it is having some bacteria. But after first hour it is doubled. After second hour it is doubled again. Question number 31. What will be rupees of 500 amounts in 10 years after it deposited in a bank with pays an annual interest rate of 10% compound annually? Compounded annually. You can use straight away compound formula. What is the formula we can use, guys? In the beginning, that is beginning, at the end of the first year, it is having certain amount. You can write this question like this. Initial amount deposited. ₹500. After first year, the amount is at the end of first year. It will be 500 plus what are the interest accumulated on 500. So 10%. 10% of 500 means how much? 10 by 100 into 500. So this will be 500 into 1 plus 1 by 10. At the end of the second year. So how to write at the end of the second year? How it will be? This will be 500 into 1.1. 1.1 into 1.1 again. At the end of third year, $500 into 1.1 into 1.1 into 1.1. So at the end of 10 years, you will get by power 10. At the end of 10 years, this is how we can construct the compound interest formula, 500 into 1.1 whole power 10. So no need to do it. This is this much of amount, it will be matured at the end of the 10 years if you take the interest compoundly. The last question from this topic. The AM and GM of roots of a quadratic equation are 8, 5. So let us assume alpha, beta are the roots of a quadratic equation. Let us assume alpha, beta are the roots of one quadratic equation. Question number 32. Let us assume alpha, beta are the roots of a quadratic equation. So arithmetic mean of that quadratic equation. So alpha plus beta by 2 is equal to 8. It is alpha plus beta is equals 16, first equation. Root of alpha into beta is equal to 5. So alpha into beta is equal to 25. This is my second equation. With the help of this, can you calculate the alpha, beta value? Sorry, he is asking me quadratic equation. If I know the sum of the roots and product of the roots, what is the quadratic equation, guys? If I from the grade 10, anyone? Nitin, Arvind? If I know the sum of the roots and product of the roots, of a quadratic equation, the quadratic equation is x minus alpha plus beta into x plus alpha into beta is equal to 0. From here, The quadratic equation is x square minus 16x plus 25 is equal to 0. Is the required quadratic equation which can satisfy this condition. If you want, you can factorize and you can find out the roots of the quadratic equation. Check the AM is 8 or not. The geometric mean is 25 or 5 or not. Is it clear, guys? Students, please. Guys, able to hear? Students, please respond. Avin, Sarvesh, Srinidhi. Shriya, Subrajit.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, we'll continue the session in tomorrow class, man. We'll complete the special series. It is a little bit important. I'll talk to Raghav.
Okay.
Meet in next class. Prepare for your examination. Bye, everyone.
Thank you, sir.